witnessing the installation of new canons, Reverend Canons, clergy canons in Chinchizi Diocese, and most importantly at St. Peter's Cathedral. And there is a lot of things that we do appreciate as Christians, that this is one, a reward to them for hard effort and work doing the development of the church. And also, we have also appreciate that there are canons that have been here as clergy, most of them that are retiring in the next 2 years. So therefore, this was setting also a precedent of continuity and takeover by the new installed canons when these ones run out in the next 2 years. And it was also giving a hope to the other young reverends that as you work harder, you are appreciated and uplifted in the service of God.
Today, 1st September 2024, today in the diocese we were really having a very important service where 4 clergy canons were being installed. The recent synod that started on 21st June this year, I recommended 4 people to be made canons, and the synod approved them. So we selected this day, 1st September, for their installation. So it was the major function. And this installation was preceded by a retreat of all the designated canons and also the old canons, especially with their spouses. The theme that was guiding our retreat was from 1 Peter chapter 1, verse 15. It was encouraging people to be holy in all that they do. Canons are servants in the church who lead exemplary lives. They support the bishop in ministry, but also support in mentoring other younger clergy. They are supposed to be exemplary, advise the bishop, and always preach a holistic gospel. Canons today who have been actually given that status is that with God's help, they maintain their status and live exemplary lives. Let them be the best examples, the standard, actually in everything that they do. But that one, we pray that God will guide them to live holy and upright lives.
At this function today, where new canons have been installed, a canon is a title given to someone to appreciate the work that they have done for God. And surely the people that have been installed today have served diligently. They have given their all to make sure that this Cathedral of Nyakatare develops.
Of the church, then from catechist to the lay reader, from lay reader to a parish priest. Then from there I worked as the curate of St. Peter's Cathedral. From there the vicar. Then I worked as the Diocese Missions Coordinator. Then from there now I'm working as the sub-dean of St. Peter's Cathedral. I do appreciate, because it's not my strength, it's by God's grace.